Before we start this video, ask these questions to yourself. 1. Do you know what is your business value proposition? 2. The problem that you are solving, is that really a big problem? If yes, what is the ROI that you are providing to your client? 3. Is that ROI worth for your client to spend on your solution? If you have started thinking that yes, this guy is asking some good questions, then start the video to understand the power of business value proposition. Hey guys, this is Jutin from Rock Grow, and welcome to the first video of our LinkedIn Automation Lead Generation course, where we will be focusing on identifying the business value proposition and mapping it with the target audience. Let's get started. It's essential to know your business value proposition, which is what makes you different from your competitors, and the kind of ROI clients can expect from your services, or else your product or service is bound to fail. Therefore, it's crucial to have the right metrics in front of you regarding your business value proposition. Conducting comprehensive market research and talking with your target audience during the initial launch phase can help you tailor your product or solution to address the pain points of your future customers and create a killer product. According to research by reputed organizations such as KPMG, Gartner, and Deloitte, 20% of businesses fail because they focus more on creating products instead of spending time with their audience to understand their pain points and then developing a product that solves their problem. In the next video, we will discuss how companies such as Slack, Uber, and others have acquired clients and boosted their business revenue by accurately positioning their business value proposition in front of their customers.
Don't go! Stay tuned, subscribe the channel to get the update of the next video to decode the business value proposition.